Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to keep Slack always active. Tired of showing as away on Slack while you're still working? In this video tutorial, I'll show you how to stay active on Slack, even when you're multitasking or stepping away briefly, just by following these few simple steps. So let's get right into it. The first step is to adjust your Slack settings. And to do that, just go to and open the Slack application, whether it's on your phone or on your computer. Now after that, go to your profile picture by clicking on it, and then click on preferences, and then go and look for availability. Like you see here, this is the section for privacy and visibility. Click on it, and here you can choose who can see that you use Slack. You can choose people with your email address or no one. Make sure you choose people with your email address right here. Now on desktop, keep the Slack desktop app open and focused, and moving your mouse or typing keeps you active by default. Now you can also use a mouse jiggler. Softwares like Caffeine or Mouse Jiggler can simulate activity. Some teams use these to stay green during long reading or coding sessions. Only use it ethically. Don't misuse it to fake productivity. And you can also use third-party tools like Slack Schedule or bots may help update your status and avoid violating your company's policy. Now, while Slack automatically sets you away after inactivity, using it consistently and adjusting your settings can help you stay active and responsive. Keep Slack in an invisible tab and set quick check-ins via emojis or short messages to stay engaged. And this was it for today's tutorial. If you liked this video and found this helpful, please like and subscribe, and feel free to leave a comment below the video if you have further more questions about this topic. Thanks for watching, and see you again in the next tutorial.